but we were all born at home. And I was 2 pounds when I was born. I was preemie, and my mother didn't have incubators or any kind of facility to help her. She once tried to feed me with an eyedropper, and I turned blue. I couldn't absorb it. But I guess the man up there wanted me to stay, because we are not in control. No, he is. And there's only one person who's perfect, and that's God. And my parents were religious, but my mother was way ahead of herself, and we had a lovely family, 6 children, 3 boys, 3 girls. I was the youngest, and my mother, you know, as you said, was very proud. Bathed me in a fruit bowl, and she told all of how beautiful I was. And I said to her, and my mother was a wonderful person, "Look, Mom, why are you telling these people how gorgeous I was? Did you ever buy a chicken that was 2 pounds? It's pretty ugly." And she wouldn't have any part of that. I didn't even have my nails when I was born. And I was born at home. But my father believed that if I had he used to say, years to live, I would live at home. And if not, the man up there makes the decision. And fortunately, I was a very strong baby. And as a matter of fact, among the 6 children, I was the only one who didn't have the measles, the mumps, you know, none of that. No, I was a strong little girl.